Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for real, unfiltered takes on tech and gear. In today's video, we're diving into a product that a lot of Starlink users have been asking about. The 150FT or 46-meter Starlink Gen 2 cable, specifically designed for the Gen 2 rectangular dish setup. So let's set the stage. You've got Starlink, you're loving the speed, but your router's not anywhere near where your dish is mounted. Maybe your satellite's on the roof, maybe it's tucked away on a pole in the backyard. Whatever your setup, that default cable just isn't long enough, and that's where this 150-foot beast of a cable from IWWFDD comes in. Right out of the box, you'll notice this isn't your average Ethernet extension, it's a purpose-built solution made for Starlink's Gen 2 rectangular dish. It comes fully pre-terminated, which means it's plug-and-play, no crimping tools, no guesswork. You literally click it in, and you're good to go. But it's not just about length, it's about performance. This cable is built with 24 Aruban fluorines oxygen-free copper and has shielded RJ45 connectors, which allow it to push speeds over 1,200 megabits per second. That's enough for heavy 4K streaming, gaming, video calls. You name it, you're getting gigabit-class speed over 150 feet, which is impressive for any wired setup. And then there's durability. This cable is IP65 rated, meaning it's waterproof and dustproof. It's made with UV-proof PVC. Has a CMR flame resistance rating, and can handle temperature extremes from -40 to nearly 200 degrees Fahrenheit. Whether you're in the Arctic or Arizona, this cable's going to hold up. A lot of folks wonder if it's a hassle to run a cable this long through the attic, through walls, or even underground conduits, but this one's designed to make it easier. It's got welded connectors and a triple shielded core, which means it can take bends, pulls, and abrasion without signal drops or degradation. We tested this exact cable in a setup where the dish was on the roof and the router was 2 floors down in a server rack. With no signal loss, no latency spikes, and full performance levels registered in the Starlink app. If you've dealt with lag or drop connections before, especially using makeshift or third-party cables, this is a noticeable upgrade. One more thing that stood out is the keyed connector ends, which are shaped specifically for Starlink's hardware and click right in without wiggle or force. That's important because Starlink's gear is not very forgiving with off-spec cables. So who's this for? If you're planning a clean, long-distance install of your Starlink Gen 2 kit through an attic, along the exterior of your house, or even buried in conduit for an outbuilding, this cable's got you covered. It's also a great option for people upgrading from the stock cable who want something more robust and weather-ready. At the time of filming, it's available on Amazon. Just make sure it specifically mentions compatibility with the rectangular Gen 2 dish, as this isn't for the older circular ones or the Gen 3 kit. That's our take on the 150FT Starlink Gen 2 cable from IWWFDD, and if you're looking for a simple, reliable way to extend your Starlink setup without sacrificing speed or durability, this might just be the upgrade your network needs. If you found this review helpful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to Product Critique, and let us know in the comments what gear you want us to test next. Catch you in the next one.